Hello guys, my name is Hanumant and today we all will learn that how to convert our overexposed photo into an artistic picture. So let's start. For first step, click on Tune Image. Now set the brightness to -100. It depends on your image that how much it is overexposed. Now set the contrast to +100, then set the saturation on -5 or -10. If you feel that the color of your picture are bright because we want a less saturated image here, after this set the ambience between +50 to +80 and decrease the highlights just a little bit. Then set shadows to -100. Now set the temperature to warmth +5. In the second step, we will increase the details in our image. So now set the structure to +10 and sharpening to +15 to +20. You can use the perspective tool to make yourself or any object look taller. So here I am using it to make myself look tall and to make the image look like I am standing on a high place. In the third step, I am using the vintage filters tool to make empty image look vintage and artistic. You can go with whatever filter you like, but here I am using the second filter. Remember to set the vignette strength on 0. With other options you can check that on what point your picture is looking good and artistic. For the last step, we will use the curves tool. If you don't know how to use it, don't worry, just follow my steps. First select RGB and just form the pattern I am making here, and note that the shape of line can be little different for your picture. It depends on the level of exposure your image has. So here now, we have an artistic image converted from an overexposed image. You can even click an overexposed image intentionally to make an artistic image. So this is all for this video. Hope you learned from my video. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos with creative ideas. Thank you so much for watching.